Hello. After learning how to work with loop and then I have introduced methods. Now here I am going to show you an interesting method. See, in this method, the loop has been used to print numbers from n1 to n, like limit 1 to limit 2. In main, we are calling this method and we are taking two inputs. Now what will happen in main and what will happen in method, that you will be able to clearly understand after little while. But here, when I am having n1 and n2 as two numbers, observe the output. The output is showing the numbers from n1 to n2 beautifully, all the numbers one by one. But when it is coming to n2 is smaller and n1 is bigger, that means it's coming from bigger to smaller. Look, p is limit 1, that is a big number, and limit 2 is a small number for which the condition is becoming false in the very beginning. So 30 less than equal to 20, that means the second case, when I am bringing the second case to the loop, it is becoming false in the beginning only, and hence it is never entering, and hence this line is finishing off here only. Okay, so if I want the method to be called with n2 and n1 when n1 is larger than n2, then what to do? Just a second. See now, what difference do you find? I'll tell or you will tell? Yes, you must have your own observation done and then you must verify, right? So see what I have done. I have introduced a condition here and that condition is checking, is n1 less than n2? If it is so, then it is printing numbers from n1 to n2. See, for the first example, from 35 to 45, the values are 35 to 45 one by one printed by the loop. But in the second conditions else case, it is now asking if n2 is less than n1 or if n1 is greater than n2. In that case, even see, the language has changed. Now printing numbers from 30 to 40 in spite of n1 having 40 and n2 having 30. So the twist that has taken place here has come from the introduction of this condition. The same method once is either it is running with n1 and n2 or it is running with n2 and n1. So you are the one, and even if the numbers are equal, the condition is capable of printing only the same number. If n1 and n2 are equal, you don't have to print it via the method. You can directly say there is only one number in the series. That is going to be your homework. Okay.